Lionel's Lighthouse. You see the posts in the corner by the shed. The first 4 barrels from left to right are transformer power, and the third and the fourth are to switch that will activate the sound system, and the barrel by itself is the volume. You can turn this off and you'll see why a lot of people do that. In the event that you want it to sound off but yours doesn't work, the problem could be the fact that the speaker is right underneath the electronic board, and the sound waves coming off the speaker basically flood or send their sound right through the board that has all electronic components that's underneath that black roof on the shed. And what happens is it'll cause some of the solder joints to break, and you don't have any sound system coming through. So on this one we had to basically go through all those solder joints in that board and make sure that they were good. Use a magnifier to do that, and that solved the problem.